Another day, another unboxing video. From the title and the thumbnail, you have already understood what this video is going to be about. So without further ado, let's get to it. My name is Sourav and you're watching Techie Sourav. Let's get started. It has been a couple of months since I started my YouTube channel and has been recording my videos on my smartphone only. However, the audio quality was not up to the mark and I have been using my own headphone to record the videos, but the sound, the wired length did not match all the time. If I had to shoot from a distance, it was not helping me much. So that is why I have decided to buy the Lapel mic. So today it has arrived in this brown paper bag, you can say. Let's see what's inside. So it has come in this plastic pouch, some simple black packaging, no branding at all. It says, there's the brand name, Humble Dynamic Lapel Collar Mic. That is just, the product details are there. So this is the product, as you can see. This is it, nothing else. The wired length seems okay. It's not as long as I expected, but it will do the job. It is of same length as my headphone, I presume. Slightly better. It is around 1.5 to 1.8 meters, I presume. And this mic has this soft cushion, as you can see. And it has this 3.5 mm jack. The wire quality, I think it's decent. I bought it for the price of 198 rupees, and that is the lowest price available for any Lapel available on Amazon. So let's try it and show you how it works. Oh, it has also a clip that you can attach with the wire and keep it in your mouthpiece. You can attach this mouthpiece on your collar. So this is also the, you can see. So it looks like this. Let me put my collar. I'm not used to this, but I have to be used to this. Let's see. So till now you have been, what you are hearing in this video, it is from the smartphone inbuilt mic. I have not attached anything. So let's plug this microphone with the smartphone and see how the audio changes. Hello. So I have plugged in the microphone and I do not have any idea how it sounds right now. I have to check it while editing the video, and you can hear if there is any. I hope there is no outside noise, because the description of the product says it is omnidirectional, but if the sound is coming from far away, it won't catch it. So yeah, that was my unboxing of and first impression of this Humble Lapel collar mic. So if you like the video, you can give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to it. I publish tech related videos on a regular basis, and if you think this video would help someone who is starting his YouTube journey, or maybe some other platform where he or she records the video too often, so share it with them, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.